reviewing too.
Hey, what's going on, people, and welcome to Reviewing 2 with your boy LD. In this episode, I'll be reviewing a site where you can customize your own sneakers and slip-ons. That's right, you heard me. Your own sneakers and slip-ons. If you're tired of wearing everybody else's stuff on your feet, you can wear your own stuff on your own feet. And as you can see, I'm all about customization. You see me a little bit, I stand up, you know what I am. Anyway, back to what I was talking about. Yes, the site is once again M4D3Custom.com. And I was on the site. It's pretty simple to use. It's just pretty much point and click. You can even upload your own photos to the shoe, and that's what I liked about it. But I'm gonna show y'all a little piece I was working on, and we'll go from there.
I just want to show y'all the website real quick. It's pretty simple to navigate, and you just click on create your own, and you pick a style and you customize it pretty much, and you see them prices. Just pick whatever you feel in, and play around with the options, see what you can do. Blah blah blah. It's pretty self-explanatory. I chose the lace-up style, and this is what I came up with real quick. I also made some slide-ons, but it depends on what it looks like in real life if I come back and do some more. Speaking of, all right, when it comes to how long the shoes will get here, you can read it, you can do the math. It's gonna be a while, so now we wait.
Several days later.
Alright, finally the shoes have arrived. You feel me? Here go the shoes. I dig those, man. Here go the slides I made. Ooh, yes, yes. Here go the boxes the shoes came in. Here go the box the slides came in. Heck yeah. Now, as far as the shoes and slides are concerned,
Never mind my bird legs. Check out the shoes. Yes, it's true. The fit, everything feels great about the shoe. I like how it came out. Yes, indeedy. Back to the slides. Oh man, foot slid right in there. I guess that's why they call it slides. Everything fits. Quality is good. Yes, indeedy. So the only thing I didn't like was this heel tag. So I got an X-Acto knife, took the heel tag off, trimmed down the thread, and colored the thread with a Sharpie.
so yeah, man. I like how they came out. I am pretty satisfied with this right here. And that's all I got.